The management at Gravita India now joining us. Sunil Kansal, CFO at Gravita India. Sunil, what's your call, in terms of Q4? The performance on the top line is looking pretty strong. Can you tell us the differentiation between realization as well as volumes?
Good afternoon. So this is, we are happy to announce the Q4 results of Gravita India Limited, and we have completed the top line of 1029 for this year and 362 crore for this quarter. And the major factor for this growth was 35% plus growth in the volumes, which was coming from the scrap collection, majority from the domestic locations, and the international import we have done from various locations. So the bottom line is also improved by 50%, and EBITDA is also improved by 48% as compared to the last year, YY. And we have already done some contracts with the battery companies like HBL and Amaraja for collecting their scraps and processing the lead and supplying back to them, buyback. So this is the basically factor of growth for this quarter and the year.
Right. What is the, in the last few days, lead prices have gone up. Have you hedged yourself against such volatile movements?
Yeah, we back-to-back hedge we are doing on a continuously from last more than 2 years, and whatever scraps we are buying on day-to-day basis, we are selling the equivalent finished goods on day-to-day basis, and we have long-term contracts from customers like Trafigura, Glencore, Kane Resources we have recently added. So all these contracts allows us to hedge the prices of the lead on immediate basis. So and we are using these contracts as a hedging mechanism, and we are also hedging the remaining quantity on exchange.
Hi Sunil, this is Nayantara joining into the New Delhi studio. Very healthy uptick if I look at your EBITDA, if I look at your bottom line, top line. Cannot say that for the margins which have come down. You've talked about new orders and the relationships you have with the best of the business, whether it's Trafigura and so on. There is an upcycle in the commodity markets. Is this performance sustainable, or do you think you're going to improve it in the new financial year?
Yeah, definitely we are going to improve this performance, and as I told you that we are going to add more scrap from the domestic market. GST and the e-way bill, which is coming up in now within states also. So these concepts are supporting us the recycling of scraps in the organized markets in India. So we are getting more scraps from the domestic market as in addition to the imported scrap we already have. And so this is supporting us to increase the volumes, and we will be a gainer from the economy of scale. So we will be improving this performance of the bottom line also, and the top line will be growing further by every year 50 to 60%.
Right. We're going to leave it at that. Sunil, thanks so much for joining us. Gravita India right now down by about 0.5%. They have big plans of increasing their presence when it comes to lead scrappage.